Hi everybody! Today we are going to look at iSpring, a fast and easy way to create a video presentation right in PowerPoint. You can then share it on any device, upload it to YouTube, or directly on an LMS. Before diving into our steps, you will need to make sure that you can record audio on your computer. If you're not sure, you should consider using a USB microphone to record your sound. You can then follow the directions that your external microphone provides you. After you have done so, you will need to access iSpring. You can download a free version directly from iSpring.com, or your organization may have the enterprise software available. While this step is optional, I would strongly encourage you to add your speaking points below each PowerPoint slide. This will help you when we go to record our audio. After you have added your notes, navigate to your iSpring tab. Select Record Audio. A new dialog box will open. To record an audio narration, choose the slide where you would like to record the audio. Select Record Audio. To record an audio narration, choose the slide where you would like to record. As you can see, you can either record a single slide or you can click Start Record and record your audio for the entire presentation. This is up to you. When you are finished, select OK. I'm going to do a quick demo right now. As you can see, on the right-hand side, because I had already written my notes, I can simply read them right now. So I'm going to record my audio for this slide only. I'll hit Start Record. So over 60 years ago, our dear friend Benjamin Bloom chaired the committee of educators responsible for delivering what we all know today as Bloom's taxonomy. Okay, I can continue to record my audio here, and now I'm going to simply select Process this slide only, since I only want to process this slide. I'll hit Stop, and now I'll select OK, which will save my audio within iSpring. So as you can see, this is a really powerful tool to help with our teaching and learning, which really allows instructors to bring their slides to life simply by adding audio to a PowerPoint presentation. Stay tuned for more advanced features in our follow-up videos to come.